Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming you have a Google account and for Workspace, admin privileges. Once confirmed, decide the group name and the exact email address you want. This prevents renaming later. Next, open groups. Google.com or the admin console and click Create Group. Make sure to choose an access level now, public, private, or restricted, because it affects membership and visibility. As you click Create Group, prepare a short description to explain purpose. This helps members recognize the group and reduces accidental joins. Once the group shell exists, add members by email or send an invite link. Choose owner and manager roles carefully to delegate moderation. Then configure posting permissions so only members or specific roles can post. This prevents spam. Make sure to set who can view membership lists and whether messages require moderation. This matters for privacy and quality control. Also adjust email delivery options. Each user can get every message, digest, or abridged summaries. Set a default and explain it to members so inbox surprises. Finalize by reviewing all settings, clicking Save, and posting a welcome message that outlines rules and expected behavior. Once done, test the group by sending a message from a member account and confirming delivery to different subscription types. Make sure aliases or forwarding rules aren't interfering. If messages fail to arrive, check spam folders, verify posting permissions, and confirm users are active members. For Workspace admins, ensure group email isn't blocked by organization-wide policies. If problems persist, adjust moderation and retry the test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.